this body cam has a little bit less resolution, but I think it should be good enough to show what's going on here. That needs to be cleaned out. Let's do a quick pan here to look at some of this stuff. You can see some of it is fairly new for me. But several little toolboxes like this, all kinds of hydraulic equipment, parts. An old welding setup. This was all just piled together, so I've just been putting it out. There's where's that one? Yeah, this. What the hell is this? Squeeze me. Not a very good examination shot, but it could be enough if you recognize that. I would like to know what it is. He had everything necessary to keep everything up and running. Tools. All kinds of old hand tools. A lot of them are still need to be dug out. One more thing that's pretty cool. Old water bags. Not sure what that is. I'm not sure what half this stuff is. It was great. These branding irons. And they were in there too, I brought them out.